Today, we are going to talk about Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry. This delightful treat offers several benefits, especially for those following low-carb or diabetic diets. First, let's discuss what makes this gelatin a great choice. Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry contains no added sugars. This is important for people who need to manage their blood sugar levels. Traditional desserts can be loaded with sugar, which can cause spikes in blood glucose. But this sugar-free option allows you to enjoy a sweet flavor without the extra carbs. Next, let's talk about calories. Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry is very low in calories. In fact, each serving has only about 10 calories. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. You can satisfy your sweet cravings without worrying about consuming too many calories. Another benefit is the versatility of Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry. You can enjoy it on its own or use it as an ingredient in various recipes. For example, you can mix it with whipped cream for a tasty dessert. Or you can use it to create colorful and fun snacks for parties or gatherings. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's highlight the ease of preparation. Making Jell-O is simple and quick. All you need to do is mix the gelatin powder with hot water, stir until it dissolves, and then refrigerate it until it sets. This means you can whip up a delicious treat in no time. For those on a low-carb diet, Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry fits well into meal plans. It can be a great alternative to higher-carb desserts. You can enjoy it as a snack between meals, or you can serve it as a light dessert after dinner. It's also important to note that this gelatin is gluten-free. This makes it suitable for people with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. You can enjoy it without worrying about any adverse reactions. In addition, Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry is a source of hydration. It is made primarily of water, which can help you stay hydrated, especially in warm weather. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health. Let's not forget about the taste. The raspberry flavor is delicious and refreshing. It can satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging. If you love the taste of fruit but want to avoid sugar, this is a wonderful option. If you are following a diabetic diet, it is essential to monitor your carbohydrate intake. Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry is a smart choice because it contains minimal carbohydrates. This way, you can enjoy a dessert without compromising your dietary goals. For those of you who enjoy experimenting with flavors, Jell-O offers a variety of sugar-free options. You can try different flavors to keep your dessert choices exciting. From strawberry to lime, there is something for everyone. In conclusion, Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry is a great addition to a low-carb diabetic diet. With no added sugars, low calories, and delicious flavor, it is a smart choice for satisfying cravings. It is easy to prepare, gluten-free, and can be enjoyed in various ways. So, if you are looking for a tasty treat that fits your dietary needs, consider giving Jell-O sugar-free gelatin raspberry a try. It may just become your new favorite go-to dessert. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.